Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Atara. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be creating this look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. Follow me on Instagram at Atara Mayhew. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off by applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base like usual. And I'm just going to apply it with a flat brush and just start tapping it out all over my lid and all the way under as well. And I'm not going to blend it out with a beauty blender this time. I'm just going to pat it out and leave it like that. So sometimes I'll do this technique and sometimes I will blend it out with a beauty blender instead. So I don't have any product in my brows at the minute, but I'm just lining underneath. Filling in any spaces or patchiness. I'm going to be using the Blood Sugar palette. First shade I'm going to go into is Cherry Soda. Using my M433 Morphe brush, dip into Cherry Soda. I'm going to start packing Cherry Soda on my lid. And I'm not going back and forth or circular motions, I'm literally just patting the shadow on so that it's really pigmented and it covers everywhere. And then I'm slowly patting upwards. So usually with eyeshadow, like if you just kind of want to do one shade but you want it to kind of fade, you want to get that shade, that same shade but in two different tones. So for example, I've got red, you want to have like a dark red and a lighter red to kind of get that gradient sort of ombre effect. And that's the same with any eyeshadow colours. So if it's blue, you would have a dark blue and a light blue, and then you would do the dark blue on the lid and then light blue like in the crease upwards. Now I'm going to go in with Prick, which is much more of like a blood red shade. It's not as dark as Cherry Soda, the one we've just put on. And I've got a bit of a fluffier brush, so this is the Anastasia A10. Going in with Prick, and I'm just going to start patting that in my crease and upwards. And as I'm tapping upwards, I'm not adding any more product on the brush, I'm just using what's left on there, because then it slowly starts to fade as it goes higher, which again gives it that more gradient effect or like ombre type of effect from light to dark. So you want more product on the bottom half and less on the top, so it looks like it fades more. So I'm just patting it, bringing it a bit outwards as well. Let's just get this inner corner a bit. Patting it along that brow line. See how easy that was? So now I'm going to go in with Fresh Meat on top of my lid just to darken it slightly. See how it just slightly darkens it? So I've got a mixture of Cherry Soda and Fresh Meat, so that kind of darkens it to help with that dark to light. And then tapping upwards gently just to fade it into the crease a bit more. And then back in with my fluffier brush, dipping into Prick, tapping on top just to bring that redness out a bit more so it doesn't look too pink. So really easy, once you're done with the top line, you're going to do exactly the same on the bottom. So I'm going to take the same brush and apply the darker shade along my bottom lash line. Then back in with the fluffy brush, dipping into Prick, the more vibrant red, and just blending out that bottom line. So I look like I've been punched in the eye right now. Now we're going to do the inner corner highlight. So I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star's Extreme Frost in Lick My Glit. Guys, if you haven't seen this in person yet, it is such a pretty highlight. Popping that on the inner corner. A bit on the brow bone. So now we're going to do the winged liner. So I'm going to use my Flyliner by Fenty Beauty. So it's really easy to do a winged liner with this. So I'm going to do my inner corner first. So there's my inner corner done. And then as I'm doing the wing, I'm going to use my bottom lash line as my reference point. So I want the line to start like down here. Then I'll start joining. Yes. And then filling it in. That's all good for now. And then for that pink line along the top, I used, again, Fenty Beauty, and this is their Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Hottie Alert. So I'm going to carefully go along this wing liner now. So I've got the line, I'm just kind of going back in and thickening it a bit. Perfect. Once you've added the pink, if you feel like it's a bit crooked or anything, you can just go back in with the black and clean it up. I'm just going to clean up a little bit right here, because otherwise it's going to irritate me. Now we're going to go into our waterline with a black. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side Gel Liner. Time for mascara. So like always, I'm using my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I don't know if it's just me, guys, but look at how much of a difference lashes make. I know these aren't like the fullest lashes, but you can see the difference, right? Or is it just me? So for my lashes, I'm using Bulk Lash in the style Fresh AF. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. My skin is so bad at the minute. I'm having so many breakouts, but I think it's because I'm just eating so much crap. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty primer in Soft Silk. While I let that primer soak in, I'm going to go ahead and do my other brow. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Ebony. Now let's beat this face. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation again this time, because I used it last time and I actually like how it turned out. So we're going to try it again today, because I've used this a few times and sometimes it looks too orange and sometimes it looks fine. But we'll see which one it decides to do today. So I'm just using it to line my top brow line. Neaten that up a bit. I feel like it's looking a bit orange, but it might be alright once it's blended out. And don't worry, I'm not gonna sit here and blend it out with this. Just kind of using this to spread it around a bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my sponge. You see, it's looking a bit orange. I don't even know what to do. I'm just going to continue and conceal and everything and see if that makes a difference. Still not quite matching, but is a lot better. I'm going to add another layer of concealer, and then I'm also going to add a bit of the foundation on my neck. Let's get some on the neck. Okay, I think that's a bit better. I don't know. Either way, I'm not going anywhere, so it's fine. I'm I'm going to add a bit of bronzer, so I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalk'r bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. Bronze my 5 head, try and make it look like a forehead. Quickly contour my nose. Then we're going to set it with the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte pressed powder. So blush, I'm gonna go in with Velvet, which is this shade on the end. So this is from the Berry Adore Blush Trio set by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna go back into Lick My Glit highlighter for my cheekbones. Ooh. It's just so pretty. Okay, now let's get something on these dry ass lips. So I'm thinking to go in with one of these reds, but I don't know which one. So I just swatched them on my hand. We'll go with this one. This is the Velour Liquid Lipsticks by Jeffree Star in the shade Designer Blood. So I'm going in with Candy Drip by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So that is it, guys. So really simple, easy, quick look to do. Well, at least I think it's easy. Let me know in the comments if you guys would agree on this being an easy look or not. So I only used those 3 shades from this palette and then a highlighter in my inner corner and liquid eyeliner. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Even if you wouldn't wear it, still give it a thumbs up. Hit that bell, turn on your notifications so you don't miss when I upload a new video. I feel very sassy in this look. I think it's because it's like a bold eye and a bold lip, so it's like full on sass. Okay, I really like the eye. I like the pop of pink liner. Just kind of gives it a bit of a twist. I prefer like a nude lip if I've got a bright eye, but I do like this combination together. Follow me on Instagram at Atara Mayhew. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.